Hey guys, it's Brendan with Seller.Tools, and let's continue our talk about optimization. So I went ahead and just took a couple minutes. I grabbed a UPC code from Speedy Barcodes, a little cheapy website to get barcodes. I created a product for us. As you can see here, it has no image, vital info. I just put product name, brand name, manufacturer. I definitely wanted it not to be associated with any words whatsoever. Okay, images, no images, zero descriptions. The only one that was required when I was setting up the product was a target audience, so I just put product name, zero subject matter, zero search terms. Again, I want this product like vanilla. Like I don't want this ASIN to be associated with anything whatsoever. Let's go ahead and open up the detail page and take a look at it. As you can see, it is completely blank. So I could, I did throw it into the walkie-talkies category. It's the only thing I did do. So one, I try to think of something like maybe for Christmas, which is like toys, kids electronics. I thought would be kind of popular. Obviously, parents buy toys for their kids for Christmas. And then I've always been a fan of walkie-talkies as a kid. Playing with my brother. Using walkie-talkies. So that category kind of jumped out to me. So over here we can kind of paste it in here and just do product, come up, product name. Just make sure we don't come up for anything. I didn't know what else I could search for, to be honest, considering we don't have much information here. All right. So this is going to be our basis for our product. So you can see again, detail page. Going back here, there's absolutely nothing here, just within the category, no reviews, no sales, no BSR, nothing. Okay. Edit product info, I've already went through all the tabs to kind of show you that there is indeed no information associated with this product. And yeah, so here's our product in front of us inside of our Seller Central account. Jumping over to Seller.Tools, as you can see here, this is our product name. I can jump in. As you can see, there's no keywords associated with this product. So we're going to go through a bunch of tests. I think the first thing we should do is go ahead and specify a master keyword. Since we are going to be doing walkie-talkie, I figured let's go ahead and just choose, probably our master keyword is going to be walkie-talkies, right? So let's go ahead and do just that. We'll come on over here, click add keywords. And I'm not going to steal any keywords just yet. What we're going to do is just manually set it up. So I'm going to do walkie-talkie and then walkie-talkie. Let's just kind of make up words here. Let's try these three. All right. I'm going to go ahead and hit next. And this is where I'm specifying the master keyword to tell Seller.Tools. Okay. So the master keyword, if you guys are not familiar with Seller.Tools, is the best keyword that describes your product. Okay, so if it's a water bottle, sports water bottle, aluminum water bottle, insulated water bottle, plastic water bottle, in the end, it's just a water bottle. Okay, same thing for this. There's they could be called like handheld radio devices, walkie-talkies, walkie-talkie. I don't know what else you can call it, but essentially, what is the best word that describes the product? Now, if I were to punch in 1,000 different keywords here, whatever one is repeated the most often would pop up the largest. Okay, it's just a word cloud. In this instance, since I specified the words, I kind of know what I want to call this thing, which is going to be walkie-talkies. So I'm going to go ahead and choose walkie-talkies, add master keyword. From there, Seller.Tools is going to automatically check to see if I'm indexed for any of these other keywords. Okay, and then it's going to make me make decisions on these keywords. Now I'm not going to spend a super amount of time on this particular instance of the keyword decision within Seller.Tools, but this is such a huge, powerful thing that Seller.Tools does. All right, I'm going to automatically approve and move these over to the left because I did punch in all three, so I know I'm happy with these three keywords. Okay, we're going to really dive deep in the next video on the keyword decisions. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and finish. And as you can see, here we go. So it's getting our broad and exact impressions. It's showing this is our master keyword, and it automatically started for us. It has the little house as the master keyword. I already checked a couple of the rankings, showing them greater than 300. And now it's going to start pulling in the TSI. It's going to start pulling over. Let's go ahead and do relevancy and index. Another competitor. I mean, I guess we could throw a number of competitors in there. Tags won't be using. Giveaways we don't need just yet. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let that run. It should take a couple seconds here in order to get that information for us, but I can already tell one of the things that just popped up is the little alarm bell. So I'm gonna pause the video here, and right after specifying the master keyword, I'm gonna jump into keyword decisions.